This is Owl, or locally known as the honeymoon wedding boat. Owl has a magnificent bedroom suite comprising of a handcrafted panelled 4-poster bed, a cosy snug area with a sofa, log burning stove and full entertainment system. Through your front doors, cross your balcony to your exclusive continuously heated hot tub. Slip in whenever you like, either sunbathe or stargaze, remembering you're cruising through one of the few international dark skies reserves in the world. Further back, you have a very generous bathroom. Everything on Owl is generously spaced, as she's a wide boat at 8'6". The galley has everything you need to cook that romantic meal for two. Further up the steps you go to a very generous back deck, again enough space to put a deck chair so you can sit beside your partner while cruising down the canal. So that is Owl with her 4-poster bed and unique hot tub.